All right, guys, we got a 2018 Infiniti Q50 3.0 turbo. We're gonna do the front pads and rotor. They're shot. They're down to nothing. What we're gonna do is we got first. Let's talk parts. Okay, we got Evolution brake pads here. There's a part number on this baby. If you guys want to get this, right here. Brake pads in here. So I got brake pad. I will talk about the sensor. I am not looking to use these hardware because I like to observe the old hardware. If they look good, solid, you don't want to mess with it. So I got electric coated rotors. So I got one in the box, which I need to clean. So make sure you clean your rotor. Here's the box right here. There's a rotor in here. There's the part number on this baby. So this is the brand here. There you go. So let me show you the opposite side here. I already did this. Greasing is very critical. We're gonna compress the piston and everything. So this is the rotor right here, similar to what we taken off. Okay, electric coated. So we got a 14 millimeter, we got a 22 and a 22 down there, and that's all we need to take off. Bang the rotor out, clean the surface, lubricate everything. Bada bing, bada boom. You guys gonna see this baby in action today. Let's see how we get this going. All right, so what we're gonna do here is if you want to turn a bit, you can turn a bit just like that. You get a better axis of the brakes by doing that. Okay, there's my light. It wants to fall. We're gonna go on off position here. So what we're gonna do is 14 millimeter, very easy, soft bolts here. Look at that, simple and easy. So these will come off, and our caliper will come off. So when you put it back, make sure your line is nice and straight, okay? I've seen people put a twist to it. Okay, once those two bolts are out, 14 millimeters, your caliper will go up just like that. You're gonna let it sit on the top just like that. Look at these brake pads, they're shot. Done. Okay. How many miles the car has? 44,000. Customer standing right next to me. 44,000 miles on this baby. And the brakes, that's a good amount of mileages. So I need to get my 22, okay? So next step, the two bolts on the bracket here are 22 millimeter. I'm using this reducer here with the 3/8 drive ratchet here. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna turn these counterclockwise. There you go. These are pretty easy to take off. One more over here. There you go. Bada bing, bada boom. Okay, always double check your work once everything is completed. So this will come off. So like I said, we're gonna reuse this hardware. Okay, a lot of times you don't want to mess with something that is not completely shot and it looks good. Okay, because the new stuff is not the perfect. It's not the strongest, but it's all up to you. But I will explain to you how you're gonna install this hardware. Okay, here goes nothing. One last bolt back here. So both of these are 22 millimeters. There you go, 22s. These to the side. So see this little retainer, it sticks in there, it goes around underneath this, so pretty much you would just click it in and push it in, and that's how easy that is. So we're gonna clean these babies up, and right now we're gonna smack the rotor off first. I'm gonna go get a hammer. All right, now like I always say, if you're gonna bang on this rotor to take off, that means you cannot reuse this. Okay, a lot of people want to cut the resurface the rotor, no good. There you go. This baby will come right off. You rather just replace the rotor instead of resurfacing it, because they're gonna damage it anyway, and you're gonna have a shake and you're gonna end up redoing it. So we're gonna clean all this stuff here. So what I'm gonna do here is just use a wire brush. What this is gonna do is it's gonna eliminate all the dirt and debris, especially once we blow some air on it. Because once your rotor sits on it, and if it's dirty, it's not gonna sit properly, and we'll blow some air on that. Anyways, this letter, guys, you don't want to go crazy with this, okay? So try to go small movements back and forth. Just like that. Bada bing, bada boom. Same thing on the other side. There you go. So, I'm gonna go get a cleaner. Okay, so I'm gonna just spray this baby down with parts cleaner. A little bit on this caliper, that's fine. Don't forget your bracket. Same thing here. Same thing there. Okay, I'm gonna go get air. Okay, so compressed air. If you don't have compressed air, just try to wipe it down as much as you can. Okay, do the same thing on your bracket here. Nice and clean. I'm happy with that. Okay, so we're gonna go clean the rotor, and I'm gonna be right back. So your new rotor is gonna have oil on it, so make sure you use the parts cleaner. Wipe it down with a clean rag, and there you have it. And what we're gonna do next is, okay, so I'm ready to bring the rotor over, but prior to that, I'm gonna put some lube on this hub. Very important, okay? A little bit of lube, perfectly good. Just put a small amount all around it, so the rotor can sit flush, clean, and everything can stay nice and rust free down here. So I'm gonna get the rotor next.